I mean, if you do. Kylan, you need a money. Everybody else has a money. And then I should have one extra. Because Samir's not here. Perfect. Thanks, Caleb. Man, it's going to be hard. Those helpers were quiet. You know what? I'm going to add Big Kid Candy to my shopping list. Almost out. Jolly Ranchers. Got it. My loves, if you have your mat looking like mine with yellow on the left, white on the left, yellow on the right, say, My loves, we're going to do the same thing we've been doing, where we're going to add 10 to a number. You all have money. Raise your hand and tell me which one of your coins is 10 cents. Raise your hand. You don't need to touch them yet. Don't touch them yet. Which one of your coins is 10 cents? Jair. Dimes. 5K, I need you to look up here, please. I'm going to make my little graph. 10s and 1s. Which one of these numbers is in the tens place? Which one of those numbers is in the tens place? Adelia. The 4. My sweets, what I need you to do is take out 4 dimes. You're going to put them on the white side. Take out 4 dimes, put them on the white side. Go. 4 silver dimes on the white. 4 dimes on the white side. When you're done, leave your other ones in your dish. 4 dimes on the white side. Prince is done. Good work. He just has his hands folded. 4 dimes, Mason. The silver ones. My sweets, you might say, Mrs. Barch, why are yours not on the white? Mine can't stick to the white. So I'm showing you they should go on the white side because I put them underneath. Okay, so 4 dimes on the white. Then your hands are not touching your money. Bridget's got it. Chelsea's got it. London's got it. Adelia. Mason, yep, use your other bag, sweetie. Awesome. How many pennies? How many ones are you taking out? Because you know a penny is 1 cent. Which number's in the 1 place? Kylan. 3. 5K, what I need you to do is take out 3 pennies, put them on the yellow side. Go. Hi, Mitchell at home, sweetheart. What we're doing is the kids have brought money to school. So we're adding 10 to a number today, but we're using money. So if you want to look up here, Mitchell, you can. If mommy has dimes and pennies for you at home, you can use those too, okay, sweetheart? But you can just look here because I'm doing it with you. 4 dimes, 3 pennies. 3 is in the ones place. Wow, Tamia, you're just sitting there with your hands folded, babe. I love it. Boys and girls, smart mathematicians always double check. All right, we're going to touch and count by 10s and 1s. Count with me. We're touching your dimes first. You can touch your money. Ready, set, go. 10, 20, 30, 40, switch. 41, 42, 43. Does it match? Say silly, Mr. Harms. All right, my sweets. My sweets, do they match? Yes. What I need you to do now is watch me. Look at me. Take your careful looking glasses out. Put them on your face. Friends, look here. Jair, look here. What am I doing? Look. What number did I just write? Ryan, what number did I just write? Which one of your coins in your dish or in your bags is 10 cents? What coin is 10 cents? What is that, sweetheart? A dime. My loves, if I added 10 cents, what do we need to do? Chelsea, just leave it on your name tag, sweetie. If I added 10 cents, what do we need to do? Tamia.
You have to go to
Yeah, I need to take out one more dime. My loves, out of your bag or out of your dish. Take one more dime. You need to put it here on the white side, on your dime side. Take out one more dime because I added 10 cents. A dime is 10 cents. Bridget, you are so fast, my sweet. Good girl. You just had it out right away. Your hands aren't touching your money. Good girl. Yep, take out one more dime. Huh. If I was at 43, and now I added 10, what number am I at then? 43, Jaden? Not 44. If I add 10, my finger moves where? My finger moves. My finger moves down. 43 goes down to 53. Let's see if we're right. Can you just set that on your green circle for me? Then we'll put that away later. Okay, sweetheart? Thanks, babe. Perfect. My loves, let's count. Jaden said 53. Touch and count your dimes with me. Last time I could barely hear you. Can you count a little louder for me?
Yeah.
All right, say, I'm ready to count.
I'm ready to count.
All right, you're going to touch and count your dimes. Ready, set, go. 10, 20. Stop, stop, stop. By tens. But I don't want you to shout. I just want you to count. Tens. Ready, set, go. 10. Good. 20, 30, 40, 50. Switch. 51, 52, 53. Say, you got it, Jaden.
You got it, Jaden.
Now look up here, my sweets. This looks like the receipt you know how to do. On paper, I add my pennies. Paper pennies. What's 3 plus 0? Raise your hand. Please don't blurt. 3 plus 0. Chelsea. Stays at 3. Good girl. You can cross off that 0. It stays at 3. 4 and 1 more makes Prince.
5.
Hey, I forgot my cent sign. How much money? 53. Say, we did it.
We did it.
It's your brains. You added 10, just like we were doing last week for those 2 days. You need to be so careful. If you have a cup of money, you don't have to be careful. You can put all your money back in. If you have baggies, you need to put your dimes in your dime baggie, your pennies in your penny baggie. If you just have a dish, put them all back in your dish. Quietly go. We're going to do another one. Holy cow, Tamia's done already, hands folded. Nice job, Tamia. Chelsea's done already, hands folded. Those of you with baggies are being very careful, making sure your dimes, one with your dimes. All right. That is just hanging crooked and it's bothering me. My sweets, I need you to look up here. Which number's in the tens place? In 26. Which number's in the tens place? Jaden, which number's in the tens place? The 2. So Jaden, what coin do you have that is 10 cents? Yeah. The dimes. 5K. Do what Jaden said. You need to take out 2 dimes because the dime is 10 cents and the 2 is in the tens place. 2 dimes. 2 silver shiny dimes on the white side. Which number's in the ones place? I see really good work. Ryan, which number's in the ones place? The 2 is in the tens place. That's not a 4. 6. The 6 is in the ones place. Ryan, which one of your coins is 1 cent? What coin do you have is 1 cent? Tamia. The dimes are 10 cents. Which coin is 1 cent? Nope, not the dimes. Those are 10 cents. Yeah, the pennies. My loves, you need to take out 6 pennies and put them on the yellow side. Count 6 out carefully. Chelsea's already done. Carefully take out 6. Good. I see good, careful counting in your brain. 6 pennies. Good work. Good legs here. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got it.
I got this.
Oh, I love that I don't have to tell you not to touch your coins. You guys just have your hands not in your dishes, not touching your bags of money. Smart mathematicians always double check. Touch and count your dimes. Say them with me, but don't shout. We're counting by tens. Ready, steady, go. 10, 20, switch. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Awesome. My loves, if I add, where's my marker? Here it is, it's hiding. If I add 10, what coin do I need to take out? If I add 10, what coin do I need to take out? Chelsea, what coin do you know is 10 cents? A dime. My loves, do what Chelsea just said. She said take out another dime because I added 10 cents. Go, take one more out. Good job, Kayla. Add one more shiny silver dime. Good job, Jordan. Can you put that in your dish so you're not playing with it? You can put it on later, sweetie. Thanks, babe. All right. My sweets, if we had 26 and now we got 10 more, 26, how much money do I have now before we even count? 26, Tamia? 36. Yeah, it's just like our pattern last week. 26, 36. Say double check.
Double check.
All right, I want to see all of you touching your money instead of watching me. Touch and count your money. Chelsea's ready. She's got her finger ready. Ready, set, go. 10, 20, 30, switch. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Say we did it. Help me with my paper pennies. 6 plus 0 stays at what? Raise your hand. 6 plus 0 stays at what, Jaya?
6.
Yes. Cross off that 0 like it's not even there. 2 and 1 more makes Jaden 3. Hey, didn't y'all just say 36?
No.
Say we're so smart. All right, since you're so smart, we'll do only one more. We'll do our worksheet and then we can go play early. So my loves, carefully, if you have the bags, dimes back in your dime bag, your pennies in your penny bag. If you don't, put them all back in your dish. Quietly go. When you're done, you're just sitting with your hands folded so that way I know you're not touching the money. Hey babe, hope you're doing great at home, Mitchie. If you got money, you can do this with us or you can just follow along with me because I'm doing it here too. Let's do a big one. Okay. Which number's in the tens place? Which one's in the tens place? Jaden. Yeah, which 5? The one on the left? I'm going to be tricky. Or the one on the, yes, the one on the left. Jaden, which one of your coins is 10 cents, babe? Yes, so you need to take out 5 dimes, put them on the white side. Ready? Go. 5 dimes. Are those dimes? Look at them. Are those dimes? Yes. Actually, this is going.
Yep.
How many? How many pennies are we taking out, DeAndre? How do you know? Yeah, the 5 is in the ones place here on the right. My loves, take 5 little brown pennies. Put them on the yellow side, just like DeAndre said. Good job, buddy. Taking out your money. 5 pennies.
Ooh, good. Now we need how many on this side?
You should have 5 dimes, 5 pennies. Good work.
Good. How many
We're just
bridges do you need?
doing great. You guys are doing great. You can give me a thumbs up. All right.
Oops, how many do you need? Tell them. How many did it say?
My sweets, I need you to help me double check. What do I want you to do though? With your money, what do I want you to do? Look, I'm showing you. What do I want you to do? Ryan, count your own money. Touch and count. All right. Do you have enough, babe? Okay, I'll wait for you. We're going to wait for one of our friends. We don't want to go on without him. Okay, you need 5. So 1, 2, yep. 4, and you got it. Good job, sweetie. All right, I don't want to go on without anybody. I want you all to be there. Take your finger and go, whoop. Whoop. Say, I'm ready, Mrs. Barch.
I'm ready, Mrs. Barch.
No, take your little finger you're to touch with and make it talk to me. Say, I'm ready, Mrs. Barch. Touch and count with me by 10s. Ready, set, go. 10, good. 20, 30, 40, 50, switch. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. If they match, say, oh yeah, baby.
Oh yeah, baby.
Okay, so I'm going to add 10, which means you need to take out what? Raise your hand. If I'm adding 10, what do you need to take out, Jordan? How much is a penny? A penny's not 10 cents. Yeah, so what coin do you need to take out? Not a penny, Take out one more dime. Good job, Jordan. One more silver dime. Dime, dime, dime. Oh, nuts. Oh, yeah, yeah. One more dime. Question for you. Wow, Chelsea's got her hands folded. Bridget's not touching. Great work. Oh, I see Jordan's got her hands folded too. If I was at 55, I got 10 more. Now how many do I have? 55, Jordan.
65.
Say, you got it, girly.
You got it, girlie.
Let's see if she's right. She said 65 cents. Take your little finger. Make it talk to me. Say, I'm ready, Mrs. Barch.
I'm ready, Mrs. Barch.
Oh, say, I'm ready, Mrs. Barch.
I'm ready, Mrs. Barch.
Okay, count with me. Ready? By 10, set, go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, switch. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. Say, Jordan, you were right. All right. Question for you. Paper pennies. 5 plus 0 stays at what? Raise your hand. 5 plus 0 stays at what, Tamia? 5. Then I do my dimes. 5 and 1 more. 5 and 1 more. Bridget, if I have 5 and I get 1 more, now I'm at 6. My loves, I want all of you to give me a high five just from where you are. Ready, set, go. My loves, I need you to put all of your money back. Quietly go. Now I'm looking for helpers now, because now is when I need helpers to help pick up. I need quiet helpers. Wow, Chelsea already has her stuff picked up, hands folded. Now, Jaden told me our learning target this morning for reading was to fill in the missing letter. What did we do for math? What was our learning target for math? Do you remember? Kylan. What did we do? We added, what, honey? Yeah, we added 10 to a number. My sweets. If you cannot zipper baggie shut at the top, it's okay. Because when you put them in here, we'll put them in so the top is pointing up so they won't fall out. So if you can't get them zipped, it's okay. Now I need helpers. Raise your hand out there. If you're making noise, you can help me. Can you help me? Do you want to pick up the silver dimes from everybody or the brown pennies? Okay. You're only picking up pennies, okay? Leave that one here. Just put all the brown pennies in there. I need somebody to pick up all my dimes. You didn't help me before, did you? I want you to go only pick up the bags of money. You pick up all the dimes, silver dimes. Nope, leave those there. I need somebody to pick up these dishes. Who did not help me before? You did not help me before. Zaya, can you pick up all the dishes for me? I need another friend to pick up dishes. So I have 2 dish helpers. Ryan, can you pick up dishes? Yep, you can take her dish. Take her dish of money. I need 2 friends to pick up my yellow and white pieces of paper. DeAndre, you pick some up. Jaden, you pick some up.
Oh, yeah, I have.
Yep, your times. Yep. Jair, come here, please. Did you put this on my desk? I need helpers to pass out papers. Mason, you did not help me before, did you? Come here, sweetie. Oh, my helpers are being so quiet. Can you pass these out? Did you help me before? Come here, please. Adelia and Jordan helped me. You helped me. Kylan, did you help me before? Come here, sweetie. Can you hand these out? Prince, did you help me the last time? No, you're good. And Bridget, did you help me? You did. Mr. Porter, could you be my last helper? That way everybody had a job. This is Jaden. Jaden, I can take those. You did great. You can have a seat. DeAndre, honey, I can take those. I don't see any more yellows. Nizier, when you're done with those, we can put them on my desk. They were on them. You're welcome. Awesome. Look at all my great helpers. Wow.
Here.
Now, Tamina, when you're done, you just put them on my desk, baby. Thank you, sweetheart. Wow, you guys rock as helpers. Mr. Porter, could you do me one more favor? It is a little one. Did you give all of my different ones? They helped me first. So everybody was a helper.
Everybody gets a skittle.
Everybody gets a skittle.
Oh, that's all right. That's all right.
Bridget, honey, can you turn your paper over, my love?
Here we go. No.
Boys and girls, say one thing left.
One thing left.
Oh, that was pathetic. There was only a couple of you. Say one thing left.
Thing left.
You got it. Raise your hand and tell me what number do you see at the top of your paper. Raise your hand. What number is that? Nizier, you can sneak back to your spot, honey. Jordan, what number is that, babe? An 8 and a 2 makes
Did I take?
82. My sweets, at the top of your paper, please trace your 82, and I need you to make it 3 times. Bridget, honey, you gotta turn your paper over, baby. You turn it over, that side, right there, sweet. All right, my loves, trace your 82, make your 82s. Mitchell, you're doing great at home, sweetheart. I need somebody to count by 2s for me. How many digits are on my line? Jaden and Tamia, would you two count by 2s for me nice and loud? Okay, ready? Jaden and Tamia, ready? Set, go. 4. No, what comes after 4? 2, 4, 6, and then 8. Count with me. Everybody count with Jaden and Tamia. Ready? Set, go. 2, 4, 6, 8. Boys and girls say 8 is great. Caleb, good work. Boys and girls, you're going to write 8 up here on the line. And then I need a friend to tell me how many tally marks were made today. Ooh, baby. Be careful. You guys are doing great. I know this is the first day back and you guys are sleepy, but you're working hard. How many tally marks are we making, Prince? Today is March 23rd, so we are making 23. Say, whoa, baby.
Whoa, baby.
Say, we can do it.
We can do it.
I have a question. Pretend I'm a student and I don't know. Can you be my teacher? Raise your hand and tell me if I run out of room in my box, where do I make my extra tally marks if I run out of room? Idelia, my teacher, where would I make my extra ones? I can go up here to the top. Where else can I go if I run out of room? Jordan. Yeah, right here by the side, right by the box. All right, my sweets. If you run out of room, because I'm going to run out of room, it's okay to go out of the box. Up top, down the side. Okie dokie. It's okay if they're outside the box. 23. Pencils are ready. Make them with me. Count with me. Ready? Set. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tally up. 5. Good job. 6, 7, 8, 9. Tally up. 10. Good job. 11, 12, 13, 14. Tally up. 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, tally up 20, almost there, 21, 22, 23. Stop. Now, an easy way to check is you should have 1, 2, 3 full 5s and 3 extra. Awesome. Good job counting with me. You do. All right, you can take that extra for me. Boys and girls say, what on earth?
What on earth?
There is no story problem. Guess who has to write the story? Yeah, DeAndre says, us. Yes, you guys have to write the story. Now, it tells you what numbers you have to use. So you need to use 4 plus 1 equals 5. All right. Boys and girls, this is a piece of cake. I'm going to teach you a little trick that makes this super easy. Say, tell me the trick, Mrs. Barch.
Tell me the trick.
You need to remember, it goes like this. I, now. Say that with me. I, now. One more time. I, now. All right, how do I write the word I? Raise your hand. How do I write the I? Jordan.
A line under and a line on top.
Yep, you're just going to write uppercase I. So my sweets, look carefully. You need to write it right underneath the W. It needs to sit on this top line. Please don't play, Jair. I really need you to watch. Underneath the W, you're going to write uppercase I. Uppercase I. Right underneath the W. Okay, I said I, and then I said I. I need to write I again. My loves, you're going to write I again. Right underneath that I, you're going to write another uppercase I.
Underneath. There you go.
I, and then I said now. I, now. What letter do you hear first in now? We haven't studied this letter yet, but I think you know. Now, Tamia.
I think it's in our date before.
What, honey?
I think it's in our date.
It was in our date before for November. What letter starts November? Now. What letter is that? Mason. N. My loves, here's how you make an N. You're going to go straight down. Then you're going to go back to the top, and you're going to go down, up. Uppercase N. Ow. It's been a long time since we've spelled ow. Do you remember how we spell ow? There's two letters that make the ow sound. We say it in cloudy. Ow, oudy. What letter goes first? Prince. Now. Oh, yep. Make an O right after your N. And it's either O-U says ow or O-W. My loves, you need to write a W.
Look right up there.
5K, say I now. Say I got the clues. Now, you have to write a number story problem, but it's so easy because do you know how to read? Yes. So you just write words that you know how to spell. The word we're going to write next is have. You don't know have, but we can sound it out. What letter says? Jaden. My loves, you're back up here at the top now. By this top I that you wrote, you need to leave a space. You're going to write lowercase h. Make sure you're following along. Back here at the top. Now we're going to write our first sentence. What letter says Jair? A. Have. What letter says V? Raise your hand. What letter says V? Nope. I says if. Have. I need to write this up here. Your H. I'm writing it in the wrong place. Write your H here. And then your A. There you go, sweetheart. 5K. What letter says V? Jair, I need you to push that away. What letter says V? Kylan. V, my loves, make a V. This part takes a while today. Soon you'll get really fast at it. I have. What number do we need to use first? Look at the numbers they give you. Tandra, if you're watching at home, we're just having the kids sound out, so I know that that's not spelled correctly, but I want them to learn how to spell just by sounding out, even if it's not right. We know what it says, so I'm not going to be picky about spelling, so eventually they're going to have to do this by themselves. I have to rewrite. What number, sweetheart? 4. My loves, I need you to circle that number 4 right here, because that's going to mean that you used it. Circle that number 4. You used up that number. I have 4. I need someone to spell 4 for me. Look up here. I need someone to spell 4 for me. Jaden, spell 4. Really slowly, because we're all writing it. Spell 4, babe. What goes first, sweetheart? F. Everybody leave a finger space. Make lowercase f. Jordan, make sure you're focusing. What goes after the F in 4, sweetheart? An O. Everybody write an O. Jaden, what goes? U. And what goes last, Jaden? R. Zayan, you need to be writing all of this. You gotta focus, sweetheart. I have 4. Well, what do you want to have 4 of? Raise your hand. What should we have 4 of? But you have to know how to spell it. What word do you know how to spell? Think about the letters that we know. Think about the words you read in stories. What word do you know how to spell? You can think of animals that you know how to spell. Honey, don't play with it, because now you broke it, sweetheart. What animal do you know how to spell? Kylan, give me an animal you know how to spell. We know how to spell cat. Totally. Boys and girls say, aha, we got it. All right, I have 4 cats. Leave a finger space. What letter says k?
C.
DeAndre, honey, what is it?
C.
Everybody write a C. What letter says a? Right. I have 4 cat. What letter says t? Prince. Yep. I 4 cat. Does that make sense?
No.
No. We need to say cats. More than one. What letter do I need at the back to make it plural? We learned this last week. Cat. Tamia. S. Make an S. All right. My loves, read that with me. Ready, set, go. Hold on. I need everybody to read it, not just Tamia. Ready, set, go. I have 4 cats. You need period. Because you stopped talking. I have 4 cats. Then we're going to write I got. Got. What letter starts got? Raise your hand. What letter says got? I'll see. What letter says g? G. My loves, now you're here in the middle. After your I, Jordan. After your I, you're going to leave a space. You're going to make lowercase g. Lowercase g in the middle now. Say lowercase g in the middle. G. What letter says ah? London, what letter says ah? No, I says if. What letter says ah? Oswald. O. Everybody make an O. Oh, the yawning. So much yawning. We're so sleepy. T. Bridget, what letter says t? T. Everybody make a T. I got, now, what number do we need to use next? What number does it say, Prince? Everybody circle the number 1, because we're going to use that one now. Circle the number 1. I need somebody to spell 1 for me. London, you're looking up here. I need somebody to spell 1. Mason, spell number 1 for me. All right, space. Everybody write O. Mason, what goes after O, sweetheart? N. Everybody make an N. What goes after the N, Mason? E. Everybody make an E. I have 4 cats. I got 1. It's a plus sign. What does plus mean? Yeah, I have 4 cats. I got 1 more because it's a plus. How do I spell more? It's my favorite letter that says M, and it starts my name. My loves, leave a space. You got it. And M has 2 bumps. Oh, what letter do you hear next? Tamia.
Oh.
Oh, you got it. Look up here, Zaya. Or. What letter says R? You're learning about it in our reading book. What is it, Jaden? R. Write a lowercase r. All right. I have 4 cats. I got 1 more. You need a period. Say, holy smokes, that's a lot of cats. Yeah, if you had 4 and you got 1 more, now we need to go down here to the bottom. It says, now I. How do I write I again? Prince? Yeah, write uppercase I. You're going to write uppercase I again. Now I. Now we need to write the word have. You have 4, you got 1 more, so now I have. What letter says? H, London. My loves, leave a little space. You're going to write lowercase h. Now I, What letter says Adelia. A. What letter says V? B. Yep, good job, Zaya. Now I have, oh boy, what numbers left? 5. Could you imagine having 5 cats? You would have hair everywhere. Holy moly. All right, circle 5. We're using our last number. There would be a bunch of meowing. Yeah. All right, I need somebody to spell 5 for me. Then we're all done with our numbers, with our story problem. I need somebody to spell 5 for me. Here's the number 5. How do you spell 5? Prince, go for it, nice and slow. All right, everybody write lowercase f. Leave a finger space. F. What goes next, sweetheart? I. Everybody write an I. What goes next, sweetheart? A V. And what goes last, babe? E. My sweets, read this with me. You can look up here with me. Junior, don't play. Ready? Set, go. I have 4 cats. Keep reading. I got 1 more. Now I have 5. You need a period because now you're done. Say, we did it. That's the first time you've ever done this, and next time we do it, it'll go so much faster because you'll remember I, now. Say, I, now.
I now.
Yep, and then you just use those numbers. Okay, it says, yes, sweet girl. You need a sharpen, sweetheart. If you need your pencil sharpened, you can just hold it straight up like this. And Mr. Porter will come and grab it, and he'll sharpen it for you, sweetheart. Mr. Porter, could you grab Chelsea's pencil, please? Right here. All right. It says 3 children chose apples. What color should we take out for apples? What color should we take out for apples? Adelia.
Red.
All right. Everybody take out your red in 5. Take out your red in 4. You don't need your pencil for this because you're just taking out your color. Take out your red in 3, 2, 1. It says 3 children chose apples. So how many squares do we have to color? 3. Mark them off with me. Ready? This top box is apple. Mark off 3. Ready? Set, go. 1, 2, 3. Stop. Only color those 3 with your red. Go. Don't color all the squares. Adelia, just take out your crayon, honey. Then it says 5 children chose oranges. What color do you need to take out next? Raise your hand if 5 chose oranges. What color do we need to take out next? Jaden. Orange. Take out your orange in 5. Take out your orange in 4. Good, thanks, Caleb. 3, 2, 1. Prince, how many are we marking off? 5. Count 5 with me right here on the graph. The second word says orange. Ready? Set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. How many are you leaving blank? 2. So don't color those last 2. Color those 5 orange. Chelsea, you're doing great. Bridget, you too. My paper's folded right here where I need to color. Oh, I see children even double checking. Love that. Good girl. Proud of you. Huh. Chelsea colored, and then look at her. She's got her hands folded. Honey bunny, way to go. First day here in school, and you're rocking it, my love. Bridget, you too. Keep going, my sweet girl. It says, oh, lost a hair. Jordan. It says, how many more children chose apples than oranges? So look at how many more orange ones you colored than red. Raise your hand. Don't blurt it. Prince is even showing me. Prince, how many? 2. Prince, how did you figure that out? Because some of us struggle with that. How did you figure out that it was 2? You're right, honey. How did you know? Yeah, where the red one stops, then there's 2 more orange right here. My loves, you just need to take your regular pencil, and right here, right under where you colored orange, you need to make a 2. With your regular pencil, there's 2 more apples than oranges. It's a good thing I cut that lesson short. I'm going to fold this in half, my loves. Or, well, it's just Mitchell that's on right now. Mitchell, so that my kids at school here can see. All right, it says, I need to draw lines to cut my squares into fourths. 2 different ways. Oh, baby, if I'm cutting it into fourths, how many pieces will there be if I'm cutting it into fourths? How many pieces will I have, Tamia? If I'm cutting them into fourths, how many pieces am I having? Not 3. 4. I'm going to have 4 pieces. All right, where should I draw my first line to cut those into fourths? Jaden. All right, Jaden says corner to corner, and then go to the other side and do corner to corner. Good job, honey. You knew where to do both. Okay, how do I do this one different then? I need to make that one into fourths. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles that are all the same. Please stop tapping. How do I do this one differently? Jair, where should I draw my line, sweetie? Side to side and top to bottom. You got it, babe. Make sure you get them in the middle. Lines of symmetry. 4 equal pieces. I love it. I need a friend to tell us what color to take out. Bridget, my love, what color would you like? All right, my loves, take out your pink. If you don't have a pink pencil, just take out your pink crayon. Perfect. My sweets, it says to color 1/4. Good job, Caleb. How many pieces am I going to color if it says to color 1/4? Jair, 1. My sweets, color 1/4 of each square. That works. Nice here. 1/4 of each square, 1 piece of each. 1/4 means 1 of the 4 pieces. When you're done, put your pinks away. Good, Caleb. Good, Bridget. Good, Ryan. Chelsea, love your folded hands, babe. That's so nice of you, Chelsea, to share. Hey, nice here. Good job. I need you to help me count by tens. Oh, but we're starting at 7. Oh no. Hey, but you guys know how to do this. 7, 17. My loves, you gotta write 17. You just move your finger down on the hundreds chart. What would come next? 7, 17. Jordan? 27. A 2 and a 7 makes 27. All right. 7, 17, 27, 37. You guys rock at this counting by 10 stuff. Starting at all the random numbers. Yeah, and you're the one who said, oh no. Now you're saying it's easy. You goof. All right, count with me, my sweets. Ready, set, go. 7, 17, 27, 37, 47. You got it.
3 and 7.
All right, count with me, my sweets. Ready, set, go. 7, 17, 27, 37, 47, 50. All right, write 57. A 5 and a 7 makes 57. Chelsea, Bridget, way to go. You guys are rocking it. Guys, we don't need to count. What would come after 57? 67. Good job. Prince, 57, 67, 77. Yep. Hey, Caleb, what would come next? 67, 77,
87.
Good job, Caleb. Hey, Ryan. Miss Johnson just texted you're supposed to walk to Grandma's house today. Okay. Sorry. I know. Sorry, babe, but it'll be nice. 67, 77, 87.
97.
Good job, my loves. 85, 87, and 97. All right, we got to do our math facts. 7 and I lose 1. Excuse me, after this we get to go play, so help me out. Raise your hand. What should I do? Excuse me. Wow, I got the hiccups. Jordan, 7 and I lose 1. What do I do? Hop back 1. Yeah, circle that minus. 7 and I lose 1, Jordan. I hop back 1 is 6. Caleb, you need to fix that, babe. All right, 6 plus 2. What do I do? Ah, it rhymes. Zaya, what do I do for 6 plus 2? Circle the plus. All right, Zaya, then I'm going to touch number. All right, everybody touch 6. Jair, touch 6. Hop 2 more with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2. Zaya, what number? 8. Mason, good job hopping with me, sweetheart. Man, they're really mixing these up on you guys. Pluses, minuses. Oh, now a double's +1. 7 plus 6. What do I do? What do I do? Ryan. Circle the plus. Ryan, do you want a double or do you want a hop? So, sweetheart, for doubles +1, I circle the one who's smaller. Who's smaller, 7 or 6? Who's smaller, 7 or 6? No, 7 or 6? 6. Circle 6, 5K. Double 6 with me. Ready, set, go. 6 plus 6 equals 12. And one more makes, Ryan, if you have 12, you get one more. Now you're at 13. Nine minus 2. What do I do? Jair, help me for 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2, he says, is 7. Let me see. I touch 9. I lose 2. 1, 2. Yep, he is right. Oh, does this look familiar? Yes, it should, because I just wrote it on the board, you guys. You should all say yes. All right, 6 plus 0. I add my pennies first. That's easy. 6 plus 0 stays at what, Chelsea? 6. You got it, babe. Kylan, 3, and I get one more makes 3, and one more makes 4. What can't I forget at the back? My cent sign. I'm talking money. If they have cent signs here, I need a cent sign down here. Caleb, I need you to write the answers, my love. All right, Zaya, 7 plus 0 stays at 7. 5K, say this doubles with me. You all know it. Ready, set, go. 1 plus 1 equals 2. And you can't forget your cent sign at the back. We're talking money. If you see a cent sign back here, you need to make yours. I need someone to raise their hand. Don't blurt it. Look at my clock in the back. Raise your hand. Don't blurt. What time does it say? DeAndre, what time does my clock say? 1 o'clock. That means it's time to go. All right. Mitchell, you did great. It's time for us to go play. You have a great afternoon. I'll see you tomorrow. My loves, I need your pencil boxes put away.